Hey William, Uncle Max teaches piano. Yay! Okay, this is the second page of the song, and we're going to look at the left hand on the second page of the song, and it looks to me like there's a bunch of eighth notes. Now you know when you have quarter notes, they go one, two, three, four. You have one note on each beat. If you have eighth notes, that means that you divide that quarter note time into two parts. So if you have one, two, three, four, the eighth notes are half of that. So what you say is one, and two, and three, and four, and one, and two, and three, and four, and that's how eighth notes go. So as I look at the first measure here, it has eighth notes in the left hand. And we're going to start on the note A. I'm sorry. Excuse me. We're going to start on the note E in the bass clef. And so I think I would probably play that. I'm trying to think what finger I should play that with here. Now, I probably would use my ring finger, which is my fourth finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. My fourth finger here on the E. And then you're going to go from the E to the G sharp. So if we're playing 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then I'm with my thumb here. Thumb, 1, thumb and 2. Thumb, 1, thumb and 2. Okay? So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and thumb, 1, thumb and 2. Then we're going to go to a D, F, and A. So my thumb is on the A, my middle finger is on the F. I just have to put down my little finger on the D. Then I need to shift my hands so my thumb and first finger are playing the G and the B. So we have 1, 2, 3 on that measure. 1, 2, 3. Let's start at the top of the page again. Okay, we start with our second finger on the, our ring finger on the E. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and thumb, 1. Uncle Max, you screwed up here. Excuse me. I'm very sorry. Okay. There we go. We'll start with our ring finger on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and thumb, 1, thumb and 2. Then I go 3 fingers. You see? Like that. It's easy. It goes from D, F, and A to G and B. Just practice that. Okay, so again, ring finger, top of the page, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and thumb, 1, thumb. Now 3 fingers, D, F, A, G and B, 4, now rest, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Same thing you played before. Same thing you played before, 3 notes. 4 and thumb. The section is done. It's really, quite easy. What you want to learn to do also, William, when you look at music, is you want to learn how to envision sections of it. You don't look at each individual note. As I look at the top of the page in my left hand, I see that I have to repeat this note 4 times. Then I go to 2 notes. That note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then I'm coming down. Then I go 3 notes. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. And same thing I did before. You see how that works? It's really pretty simple, and especially when you learn how to look at a section of music at a time, and you sort of memorize that picture in your head, and you learn to do that. That tells you what to do with your fingers when you see that image. You know, I got to do this. And pretty soon, before you know it, you're playing like $1 million. Okay, so that's a little lesson on page 2. We'll do another lesson then. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.